Hello, lovely people, bless you for coming. This is your boy Andy. Welcome to Week Mix Tech. So today I'm here to share with you an interesting tutorial on how to get verified PayPal from Ghana or any other country that PayPal that is in support. Okay, so if you are coming from any other country with PayPal no day there, this video is for you. So I will not waste your time. I'm about to take you through the whole thing. As we go, you should believe in your comment, your like, and do all to share this video for more people to see. Don't skip this video because everything that you need to know, everything that you need to know on how to get verified PayPal and how to withdraw your money from PayPal to your bank account or your mobile money wallet is in this video. Hello, lovely people, bless you for coming. Another update on our body. So today I'm taking you through new tutorial on how to create PayPal from Ghana, verified PayPal from Ghana, and be able to withdraw your money to your Momo or your bank account without any stress. Okay, so make sure you stay throughout this update. If you are new on this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on notification bell. Returning subscribers, God bless you for always coming back. So head on to your browser and type in paypal.com/ke. The KE stands for Kenya. Okay, so when you enter the website or you enter the home page like this, make sure you scroll down. Then make sure you scroll down to verify the country flag. If it is showing Kenya, then it means you're on the right direction. Okay, so you come here and press sign up for free. To sign up for free, we do need business account. Then you go to continue. So from continue, then you enter your details. So let's say I'm called Opoku Prince. Okay, let's say I'm called Opoku Prince. Then I'll type in my email from here. Then I'll go with my password. Sorry, the caps is on. Then I have to tick this place. Then go to agree and create account. You just have to make sure you verify you are not robots. Then you go to next, traffic light, verify. So we're done. Moving on to the next phase. So from here, get email. So get email. Let me go check my email from this side. So my code is, type in the code. Eight. Okay. So you are all set. Activate your account to start using PayPal. So you go to let's go. So what you're going to do, individual setup this place. Make sure you use individual. Business type, you use let's say private corporation. Okay, then you go to next. So when you land on this page, what you're going to do is to type in your legal business name. Then from this side, you can type in what's your business registration number. So trading name, you will type the trading name here. I've already typed that one. So your business registration number, if you're having certificates, you type in the registration number from this side. Then product or service that you render, make sure you select from here. You can use digital. Let me see if I can see digital. Okay, so digital goods applications. Okay, so from here you select Ghana from the list. Then you type in your phone number. So from there you type in your address, type in your city, push that code 0233, then you go to next. Sorry, 00233. So from this side, enter your date of birth. So nationality, let's try and see if we can change the nationality. So you change the nationality from Kenya to Ghana, okay? Then your phone number, to change it from Kenya to Ghana number, type in the phone number again. So from there, you can use the same address that you used for the previous page. Then you go to next. So from here, complete the customer identification process to avoid PayPal account service interruptions. So place of incorporation, you can use Ghana, then you go to submit. Tell us about your income and assets. You can decide to not to tell. So from here, certify and submit information for OPK Graphics Company. So from here, they will ask you about your company and stuff, just to make sure your account, you are a real person behind the whole thing. So you are all set. Go to home page. So right now we are in the account, and as you can see, profile verified, email confirmed. So now you can link your bank account or card, but since we are operating from Ghana, we cannot link a bank account from Ghana. Okay, so what you're going to do is now we can receive and send money with our PayPal. So if we want to withdraw money, we cannot withdraw automatically from PayPal app to our Momo or our bank account. So we are going to use another platform to do that, and the platform, the name is Butterfan. Check below the description, you see the link over there for that particular platform. So over here, you come here and sign up. You have to sign up with your ID card, being it your passport or your Ghana card. You have to get that one. So you make a screenshot, a picture. You take a picture of the card and take a picture with the card, like you hold the card and take a picture with it. Okay, so for the KYC verification. So when you are done with everything, boom, your account will be like this, your dashboard will be like this. So if you want to sell your PayPal currency, you just come to buy and sell, then you go to sell. Okay, so if you want to buy, like if you want to buy currency, PayPal currency in your PayPal account, then you choose buy, then type in the amount of money that you want. If you want to sell your PayPal so that you receive mobile money or banker alert, then you go to sell. Okay, so you go to sell, then you type in amount of money. Let's say you want to $80. That is the amount that you receive. Their rate is 12 cedis per $1. Okay, 12 cedi, 30 pesos per $1. So if it is good for you, then you go with it. So when you're done, 80, go to continue to sell. Then you choose the mode of payment, if it is bank transfer, if it is mobile money. If you want to receive it in your Butter wallet on this same platform, if you want to receive the money from PayPal to this platform, the My Wallet, then you choose Butter wallet. If you want to receive from bank, you choose from bank, then you select the bank that you have, mobile money. So let's use mobile money rather. Okay, so mobile money, you select the network, then you enter your phone number, mobile account name. So let's say I enter my phone number, mobile account name, then continue to sell. Okay, let me and it's account name. Then you go to continue to sell. Okay, so you go to confirm your order, then you follow the procedure. They will give you the channel to send the money to them, and it will reflect here. So this platform will help you to withdraw your money after creating the PayPal. And if you want to deposit money into your PayPal, you can also use the same platform using the buy method. Okay, using the buy button. If you want to withdraw your money, you use the sell button because you are selling your currency to them. Okay, so I think this is the perfect way you can withdraw your money with your PayPal. Okay, and also let's secure our PayPal. Let me show you how to secure your PayPal. So after creating the PayPal, you just have to come to we just have to add two-step verification on it. Okay, so with a two-step verification and also security question, you have to set them all so that when we are logging in and we face any problem, we'll be able to solve it. So from here, two-step verification, you go to update. So from update, use authenticator app. So go to your app store or your play store and download, search for Google Authenticator. Download that app, then you go to use an authenticator app. Okay, so from here you can copy this particular code, then you sign up in your authenticator app, and you will see that you will see a plus sign at the bottom of the authenticator app. Then you add this code, you will see scan, QR code scan. So you can use this QR code scan option to scan this particular QR code for your account to be added, or better still, you can go to add code, then you add this code. Okay, you copy this code and you add it from there, and your authenticator will be set for PayPal. So anytime you are logging in and you are facing issue, they will ask you to go and pick the code in your authenticator app. That is how it goes. So after linking this code to authenticator app, they will give you a code. You provide the code here, then you go to confirm, then your account will be secured. Okay, so that is how it works. So we are using only the authenticator. Don't use the other option, use the authenticator one, and make sure no one gets access to your authenticator and your logins. So from here you can set your security questions so that anytime you face problem, you can use the security questions to get your account back. Okay, so that is how to secure your PayPal after creation. And if you want to withdraw your money, that is the method that I just showed you. Okay, we all know if you want to send money, as for sending money to someone, you can use PayPal to do that thing. Okay, just that you cannot withdraw money from your PayPal to your bank account straight. Yeah. So from here you can type the person's email, then you send the money. So that one, it will work. There's no problem with that. So thank you very much for staying true. If you don't understand anything from this particular video, leave your comment below in the comment section, and also share this video for more people to see. If today happens to be your first day coming here, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell for more videos like this. See you on our next update. Bye bye. Thank you very much for staying true to this end. I believe so I enjoyed today's update. If you have anything about this, let me know below in the comment section, and I'll be here to assist you 24/7. My name is Andy. See you on our next one. Bye bye.